Australia, the land of kangaroos, beaches, and the Great Barrier Reef. But did you know it's also home to some of the smartest money-saving strategies in the world? Now, I'm not talking about those dodgy get-rich-quick schemes you see advertised at 3 a.m. We're talking about tried-and-true methods passed down through generations of thrifty Aussies. Today, we're diving into the billion-dollar secrets of everyday Australians and how you can use these strategies to level up your finances. Now, let's talk about cashback apps, darlings. Australians are masters of getting the most bang for their buck. And they've got this little trick up their sleeves. Cashback apps like Shopback and Cash Rewards. Imagine this. You're buying your weekly groceries, booking a flight for your next holiday, or even just ordering takeout, and you're getting money back for it. These apps are like having a little fairy godmother who sprinkles magic dust, or in this case, dollars, back into your account. Trust me, once you go cashback, you'll never go back. It's like getting a little bonus with every purchase. And who doesn't love a bonus? Now let's talk about something close to my heart. Well, not my heart exactly, because you can't eat a heart, can you? Food. Aussies, with their love for fresh produce and sunshine, have cracked the code to affordable and delicious eating, growing their own. Imagine nipping out to your backyard and picking fresh tomatoes for your salad or herbs for your roast lamb. Not only does it save you a fortune at the grocery store, but it's also incredibly satisfying. And if you're thinking, Graham, I live in a shoebox, not a house, don't you worry. Community gardens are popping up everywhere, offering a budget-friendly way to get your hands dirty and grow your own delicious savings. Now, let's be honest, city life can drain your bank account faster than you can say Sydney Opera House. But fear not, because Australians have a secret weapon: rural living. Imagine waking up to the sound of kookaburras instead of car horns, breathing in fresh air instead of exhaust fumes, and best of all, seeing your housing costs shrink by up to 50%. That's right, darlings. Living outside the major cities can save you a small fortune without sacrificing your quality of life. And with remote work becoming the new norm, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, a peaceful lifestyle and a healthy bank balance. Now let's talk about something that would make even the Queen reach for her purse discounts. Australia is light years ahead when it comes to cashless payments, and savvy businesses are rewarding those who embrace the digital age. Imagine this. You're at your favorite cafe, cappuccino in hand, and you flash your phone to pay, feeling like a glamorous spy with a secret gadget. Not only is it convenient, but you could also snag a discount just for going digital. From tap-and-go cards to mobile wallets, paying digitally is like getting a mini high-five from your bank account every time you make a purchase. It's win-win, really. Now, for our final trick, we're going back to basics. Remember when people used to pay for things with actual money? Well, get ready for a blast from the past with the envelope budgeting method. This old-school trick is still a favorite in many Aussie households, and it's as simple as it gets. Imagine this. You've got your hard-earned cash, and you divide it into envelopes labeled for specific expenses. Groceries, entertainment, that little something special for yourself. When an envelope is empty, that's your cue, darling. No more spending in that category until the next paycheck. It's a foolproof way to keep your spending in check and avoid those dreaded credit card bills. So there you have it, my lovelies. Australia's billion-dollar budgeting secrets revealed. These aren't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart choices that add up over time. Whether you're in Australia or halfway across the world, these tips can help you take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, financial freedom is just a hop, skip, and a cashback app away. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more budgeting bliss from around the globe. Until next time.